Dear learner, in this video we will learn how to make an interactive chart using the website live.amcharts.com. So let us start. First search the web page live.amcharts.com. The website will appear like this, and then let us go to the menu sign in, and you can sign in by using your Facebook ID or Gmail ID. So we are now signed in. Then click make a chart. Now we will see a number of charts appearing there. Among these, we select column chart and click on clustered. So we will see here a chart appearing in the top of the right corner of the page. So let us edit the data. Category 1, category 2 and category 3. There are 3 data are there. Now we are changing them to student 1, student 2 and student 3. And in column 1, column 2, let us keep subject 1 and subject 2. And in their respective column, we will be filling the number of marks obtained by the students out of 100. Not even this, we can add more rows and more column by clicking add row and add column respectively. So let us edit subject marks in subject 1 and marks in subject 2. So as soon as we edit, we will see the graph is dynamically changing. Now we will edit the appearance of the chart. Information available over there and information available there. So let us change the title of the chart. Initially chart title was there. So let us write students performance by going in title section. Now on the y-axis we have axis title. To change that, we will go value axis and then we will click value axis 1, and in the title tab we will write marks obtained. So now we will change the label. To change the label, go to graph and then click on AM graph 1, then in title tab just write subject 1 and then again click AM graph 2, change graph 2 to subject 2 and then all be done. So every information on the graph now has been updated, as we can see here. We can change the theme by selecting the options available just below the graph. There is a dark theme, there is a default theme, there is a light theme also. So let us select default theme. To download the graph, we have a button export. We need to check that. Then we get a button just the graph, from where we can download this graph in various format. Let us download in JPG format. So we will see here the graph. Now we will save this graph and we can name this graph as our wish. So let us rename the graph as students performance and then uncheck public and then save. We can also write some description. So now we see the graph is ready. So let us click on public and share. So we are just saying that graph is appearing online. We can select a background as per our desire. This is a very interactive graph. We can copy this link and we can share this link with others also. So here we see that the graph is appearing. There is a link already available there. We can copy and paste wherever we want in our web page or other places. We can use other download options as well. Now we will see the code. Click on Save HTML and copy the code and open a text file. Just paste over there. Save the file with the extension .html. I am saving with web2.html. Just close it, and we have a file on desktop, and just open it in the web browser, and we will see an interactive graph is appearing. Thank you very much for watching.